Hello, my dear students, and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel, Educator Prerna, or as you popularly know me as English Wali Ma'am. So आज जो हम क्रैश कोर्स कर रहे हैं क्लास 9th फॉर टर्म 1 एग्जामिनेशन उसका आज नेक्स्ट सेशन है और आज के सेशन में we are going to be reading a chapter from our supplementary reader. What is the name of our supplementary reader? Moments. And what chapter are we going to read? Chapter number 2. And this is the adventures of Toto. So ये जो story है Adventures of Toto is about a monkey named Toto and how he is brought home and the kind of mischief he does. Alright. So इस chapter को समझने के लिए quickly as well as thoroughly आपको पता है मैम ने क्लियर बताया था कि आपको जो क्रैश कोर्स मैम करा रही हैं फॉर योर टर्म 1 एग्जामिनेशन उसमें चैप्टर आपको क्विकली रिवाइज कराया जाएगा बट एट द सेम टाइम जो रिवीजन होगी वो एक थरो रिवीजन होगी चैप्टर या स्टोरी के हर एक एस्पेक्ट को हम समझेंगे जरूर एंड वीडियो के एंड तक आपने बने रहना है बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस दी character sketch of Toto and the grandfather and of course the important values that we learn from this particular story. So आप सबको पता है कि character sketch जो है वो कितना important question होता है एग्जाम में. Okay, so इस chapter को अच्छे से समझने के लिए what I have done is I have divided the story into certain headings या certain parts में हमने इस story को समझना है. जो पहला पार्ट है दैट इज टोटो इज ब्रॉट होम. जो स्टोरी है वो स्टार्ट होती है द ग्रैंडफादर नरेटर्स ग्रैंडफादर ही ब्रिंग्स टोटो द मंकी होम. हाउ फ्रॉम the first line says a grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for a sum of 5 rupees. And why grandfather did that? Because the Tonga driver, he used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough, and the monkey looked so much out of place there. And because grandfather was an animal lover, he could not see the animal being tied like this all throughout the day. He decided to buy Toto for a sum of 5 rupees. Okay. Then the second paragraph of the story talks about Toto's appearance. जो Toto की physical appearance थी उसके बारे में describe किया गया है. So what are the points that we need to know? That first, he was a pretty monkey. You can also underline this in your textbook. Bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. Alright, and teeth which were pearly white and they could scare certain Anglo-Indian ladies. And the hands, Toto's hands, they always looked very dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Pickled in the sun. I don't know आप में से कितने बच्चों को ये चीज अब पता है. You know when people make pickle, so to give it that final taste or to give it that final cooking, if you can say it like that, what do people do? They keep it out in the sun. All right, so this is how the kind of metaphor is being used for Toto's hand as if they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Then of course Toto's tail is also described, which the narrator says was like the third hand for Toto because he could use the tail for pulling things closer to him or to hang to a branch. All right. Then the third part of the story talks about grandmother's attitude. So now grandmother was not really fond of animals. She kind of hesitated every time her husband, that is narrator's grandfather, every time he would bring in an animal home. And it was for this particular reason it was decided that Toto's presence at home should be kept as a सीक्रेट बिकॉज नहीं तो ग्रैंड मदर फिर से गुस्सा हो जाती कि तुम फिर एक जानवर जो है उसको घर उठा लाए हो एंड दैट टू अ मंकी. ऑलराइट, सो देन वी टॉक अबाउट टोटो's फर्स्ट मिस्चीफ. अब टोटो's घर में रह रहा था इन अ सीक्रेटिव मैनर बट There was then the first mischief, जो पहली शैतानी टोटो करता है वो क्या करता है. So on page number 7, the last paragraph, it says, grandfather and I refer to the narrator, grandfather and I came back to release Toto. We found the walls which had been covered with an ornamental paper chosen by grandfather. It now stood as naked as brick and plaster. So kind of wallpaper जो था उसको टोटो ने बिल्कुल फाड़ दिया था. उसके साथ क्या किया था, जो नरेटर का ब्लेजर था, that was also kind of shredded. All right. And of course the peg in the wall which had been wrenched from its socket. All right. And now grandmother, I wondered what grandmother would say, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. So, being an animal lover, grandfather thought that whatever Toto has done, it's fine. It kind of shows his talent. So, the first mischief that Toto did was ruining the walls and ruining the narrator's blazer and, of course, the socket. Okay. Then Toto travels with narrator's grandfather. Now, because Toto's presence was still a secret, what happened? The narrator's grandfather, he had to travel. Where? So, it says, so we are on page number 8, paragraph 2, the second paragraph. It says, grandfather who had to leave for Dehradun next day to collect his pension from Saharanpur decided to take him along. Why? Because Toto's presence was to be kept as a secret. So then what happened? And now what happens at the railway station? It says Toto remained in the bag. So Toto was kept in a kind of a bag, So you can see here in this photo, right, that grandfather is carrying a bag with him. And this kind of, as the narrator describes, became a new abode for Toto. Abode referring to a house, okay, place of stay. So what happened? That Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur, but while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway turnstile, Toto suddenly poked out his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. So what is a turnstile? So if you look on page number 11, glossary में आप देखो जो turnstile है उसकी photo भी बनाई. This kind of a gate you also see in certain parks, right? So the moment grandfather reached Saharanpur, Toto, he came out of the bag, so only his head showed and he gave a wide grin. Now, this ticket collector, first he became a little scared that, what is this that you are carrying? So, and then the ticket collector said that this creature that you are carrying, you need to pay for this creature. And of course, here there's an interesting conversation that happens. It says, in vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. Did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog or even as quadruped? Quadruped का मतलब क्या होता है? जितने भी creatures के 4 legs होते हैं, they are also called as quadruped. So अब जो grandfather है, वो जो ticket checker है, उससे he is kind of arguing कि ये कोई dog थोड़ी है जिसकी फीस लगेगी. To travel in a train. Why are you telling me to do that? So the ticket checker still kind of said that you have to pay for this monkey that is traveling with you. And isi beach, what grandfather did, he's also a very interesting man. He takes out a tortoise from his pocket and he says, are you going to charge me for this also? He asked. So the ticket collector, he said that he gave grandfather please and looked and said, no charge, it is not a dog. So then what happens? Then of course, then Toto, he was finally accepted by grandmother and he was given a comfortable home in the stable where he was to stay with Nana the donkey. But then Toto and Nana, they never became friends. All right, they always had that kind of fight between them. Then we talk about Toto and his list of mischief. So here certain incidents starting from page 9 continue till page number 10. So the next set of mischief is that how he would take a bath. So in winter evenings, you know, he would cunningly test the temperature with his hand and then gradually step into the bath, first one foot and then the other. So, and then what used to happen, that you know, he used to remain in that hot water tub as long as the water remained hot enough to stay in. But if you know, someone would laugh at Toto, he would get upset, he would get offended. Then the next kind of mischief that he did was that the kettle that was kept on the stove for the water to boil, what Toto did, he had put his head in that kettle, but the moment water started boiling, he was completely hassled by what had happened. Then the narrator very nicely describes on page number 10, the third paragraph. He says, if there was a part of the brain especially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. हम बोलते हैं ना शैतानी दिमाग, तो वही टोटो के साथ सिनेरियो था. तो टोटो क्या करता था? So the narrator describes कि एक बारी the table was set for lunch, and pulao, that is rice dish, was kept on the table. तो टोटो ने क्या किया? He started eating that dish. वो पुलाव को खाने लगे, and जैसे ग्रैंडमदर आके एकदम उस पर चिल्लाई, he threw the crockery, he threw that dish towards grandmother, and he moved out of the window. वो आधे जो राइस थे उनको उठा के ले गया, and he kept on hanging at the branch tree. So a set of mischief he kept on doing. And of course, Toto's destiny. That's the last part of the chapter of the story. So यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है, that Toto, the narrator, that is Ruskin Bond, he says that by now it was understood that Toto was not a kind of creature that could be kept as a pet. So what happened? It says why? Because there was frequent loss of dishes, curtains, clothes, etc. So grandfather found that Tonga driver, जिससे टोटो को खरीदा था, उसी टोंगा ड्राइवर को grandfather ने ढूंढा, and he sold Toto back to him for a sum of 3 rupees. कई बार होता है ना, हम बोलते हैं तुम हमसे पैसे ले लो और ये चीज हमसे खरीद ले. So this is exactly what happened with Toto the monkey. Okay, so these are the parts under which you can understand this story, the headings under which you can understand this story. अब हम बात करते हैं, time to turn the board, because we are going to understand about Toto's character and of course also about grandfather. And अब सबको पता है कि मैम ने आपको क्या बताया है कि जब भी हमने कैरेक्टर स्केच बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर करना है, व्हाट आर वी सपोज्ड टू डू? we need to quote adjectives, give adjectives to describe the character, और उस चीज को जस्टिफाई करने के लिए, उस एडजेक्टिव को जस्टिफाई करने के लिए हमने क्या करना है साथ में? we have to quote incidents from the story. Okay, so जहां तक टोटो की बात आती है, टोटो के 3 मेन कैरेक्टर स्केच हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ कोर्स that he was very mischievous, जिसके आपके पास कई एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. सो यू हैव एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द फर्स्ट मिस्टीफ दैट ही डज. वॉलपेपर सारा हटा देना, ब्लेजर को छोटे छोटे उसके वो कर देना, पीसेस कर देना, सॉकेट से प्लग हटा देना. फर्स्ट मिस्टीफ. देन ऑफ कोर्स the way he would the episode at the lunch table. All right, then using his tail as third hand. All right, ठीक है. इसके बाद आता है the next character trait is that he was very curious. बहुत curiosity थी टोटो में. How do we know that? First, the way he would test water for bathing. Okay. And second incident is the kettle incident, जहां वो kettle के अंदर अपना सर जो है उसको घुसा देता है. Alright. Then the third character trait of Toto is that he was also very sensitive. How do we know that? Page number 10 पे जो paragraph है, second paragraph, जहाँ पर narrator ने बताया है that if anyone laughed at Toto, he would feel offended. So it says that when the water became cold, he would get out and run as quickly as he could to the kitchen fire in order to dry himself. If anyone laughed at him during this performance, Toto's feeling would be hurt and he would refuse to go on with his bath. तो बहुत जल्दी बुरा मान जाता था, तो he was very sensitive. Okay? तो ये तो हुई टोटो की बात. So talking about grandfather. So grandfather के हमारे पास जो मेजर कैरेक्टर स्केच है वो यही है that he was an animal lover. यहाँ पर आप डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो अबाउट his zoo, how many animals he had, right? And of course, you know, taking Toto's mischief in a very positive manner. You know how he said that Toto जो है वो अपना talent display कर रहा है इस तरह के काम करके. अब ये जो हमारी स्टोरी है टोटो द मंकी, इससे हमें दो वैल्यूज समझ आती है. फर्स्ट इज ऑफ कोर्स टू लव एनिमल्स, केयर फॉर देम. पर उससे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट जो हमें वैल्यू समझ आती है वो ये है दैट टू लेट एनिमल्स बी इन देयर नेचुरल हैबिटेट. जो मंकी है उसकी नेचुरल हैबिटेट है कि वो ट्रीज पे रहेगा, बट अगर आप उसको घर में रखोगे, व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन? ही इज गोइंग टू फील he is going to feel as maybe in a way that he has been slaved. Maybe he is not given his freedom. Okay, so that's about it from this chapter. हम next session में मिलेंगे. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to Educator Prerna. Thank you so much.